everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the 2021 year predictions. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. Let's see what is going to happen in the year 2021 for the Capricorns. I've already pulled out the cards, which includes tarot, color cards, oracle cards as well. So stay tuned. Before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading with the tarot first and let's see how the year 2021 is going to be for the Capricorns. Let's get started. Let's start with the tarot. Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Hermit. I do see you growing individually, having the growth individually on individual level. Your self-growth is going to be the theme for you because I do see you very immature towards different things or taking immature actions or decisions in your life in the very beginning, or I should say in the first half of the year. You'll be having a lot of immature decisions happening, or you will be making immature decisions. You will be maybe seeing things from a different perspective. But as you reach towards the second half of the year, your mindset, your perspective around your life, around your happiness is going to be changed completely. I do see you more satisfied. I do see you more fulfilled. I do see you more mature in the way you deal with everything in your life. Your perspective is going to be completely changed. Now, why this change is going to happen for you is going to be different for different people. Maybe for some of you, you will get married. Maybe for some of you, you will have a person in your life who's going to make your life completely a different situation. Why? Because I feel like it's more of the change that's coming in you is going to come because of some positive changes happening in your life. I do see that maybe you are starting off the year 2021 with a lot of things going on in your life, and nothing seems to be permanent, nothing seems to be working well for you, nothing seems to be like stable enough. You would be having a lot of you know you will be having a lot of ups and downs in the first half of the year is what I'm picking up. But as you move towards the later part of the year, it's going to be changing, and I do see you more stable as you enter into the second half. But for some of you, I do see that you will be having a lot of choice and decisions to make in the very beginning of the year. It can be about your love life situation, it can be about your work life situation, it can be about your home life situation as well. You will have to make decisions, but I don't see you making the right decisions. It's going to be like you will have a lot of opportunities, you will have a lot of choices to make, but I don't see you making any choice. I do see you taking immature actions or not taking those things seriously enough before you reach the middle of the year. Is It's more like um maybe for some of you, the decisions that you are going to be delaying in the very beginning or leading towards the middle of the year is going to be something because you don't have a clarity about certain things in your life, and you don't want to be you don't want to make any decision in hurry. That could be the case for some of you. Maybe that's going to be the reason why you want to delay certain decisions of your life, because you are not sure of yourself. Do you want this or do you don't want this? For instance, like if I talk about your love life, maybe you have a lot of offers coming up for you in the very beginning of the year, but I don't see that you see any of those opportunities as promising as you would like them to be. So maybe you're gonna wait because of those things. So I do see you taking things light heartedly in the very beginning. I do see you making immature decisions. I do see you making or neglecting certain decisions because you don't have the clarity much around that time. For some of you, the opportunities that you would be getting would not be matching your caliber. So maybe that's why you are going to say no to every opportunity coming your way, be that in love life, work life, or whatever area it applies to. But I do see that you will basically get a good opportunity as you move towards the um end of the first half, and that's how your life is going to change. You are going to be entering into a prosperous phase of your life in the second half of the year. I feel like I do see you very thankful in the second half of the year. I do see you will be very happy and content with your life. uh, you would have more connection to your God that you believe in, because you will be so grateful for all that things that didn't work. out for you in the beginning of the year, and you will be thankful for the things that worked out for you in the later part of the year. And it's going to be the time where you will be the most happiest in your life ever. So I do see that, beautiful changes coming up for you in your life. Yes, I do see that, the first half is not going to be as maybe as stable as you would like it to be, but I do see some beautiful changes coming up for you in the later part of the year. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Let's start with the cards that I made first, and then we're going to take the remaining cards. Or shall we do it otherwise? Let's start with the color cards. Let's see which two colors are going to be lucky for you in the year 2021. Lemon, number 23, excess innovative thinking. Lemon shade, this shade of yellow is going to be lucky for you. Plus, it's going to be a time where you should be having some innovative thinking, be that in other, in work life department, or in other areas of your life. You should be thinking innovatively. You should have new ideas. I feel like you will already have the good ideas, but it's more about you believing in them and going for them. Like it's gonna be more of that energy where you have to tap into the innovative side of you. You really have to explore your talents, or the hidden talents, I should say. So you could do that as well. And then we do have the emerald, calm your mind, body and soul, number 30. I feel like that's something which you would be needing in the very first half of the year, where you should calm your mind, should calm your body, soul, align it to get what you want, and that's how you will find a way forward towards what you want. Which I do see that you're finding a way or path forward towards what you desire in your life the most. If you are into gems and stones, you can always wear emerald. It's going to be helpful a lot to you in this situation as well. Let's see more cards here. Trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. I feel like if you see some opportunities coming up for you but nothing works out well for you, just have faith and trust the process and go about it. Having just I would suggest you to listen to your inner calling. Always calm your mind, body and soul, and try to listen to what the universe has to say to you in the moments where you have to make a choice, where you have to make a decision. Listen to the inner calling. Don't make or take any decision out of the thing that you have to make it now. Just don't get too impatient around anything, right? In the very beginning of the year, just go slow about everything and take your time to decide, and let things unfold naturally. And I feel like you will be guided if you calm yourself, if you calm your mind, body and soul, and listen to the inner guidance. You will be guided towards the right path. So have faith, have trust. You don't have to hurry into anything that you are unsure of. I do see that it's very advisable for you to take your time, decide when you have all the clarity that is needed to make a certain decision in your life, be that in love life, work life, or home life, situation. Let's see other cards now. Destiny, and impatience. I feel like just have faith. You will be meeting the person that you are destined to be with. Your angels, everything that is happening in your life right now will be guiding you towards the right one. Even if you miss out an opportunity and you feel unstable because you feel that you have missed a good opportunity in your life, it wasn't a good opportunity for you. You just have to have a trust and faith. Whatever is meant to be for you, whoever it is, that is meant to be for you, you will ultimately be with that person in the second half of the year. You just don't have to rush into things. You don't have to think negative around it. Just calm yourself again and try to have faith in the destiny, and let the destiny lead you towards the right one. So try not to be impatient. I feel like maybe in the very beginning you are getting impatient about different areas of your life. Just relax, just calm a bit, and that's going to be helpful. Let's see other cards. Look at the bigger picture again. Maybe you are going to be get too focused on the in on the coming months. Like maybe it's like you are just looking at a certain goal. You are not seeing the bigger picture attached to that goal. So maybe you need to have a look at the bigger picture of that goal that you want to achieve. So just try to look beyond your limited perception about something. Just try to do that. A personal issue reaches resolution. If you have been having any personal issue about mental blocks, physical blocks, emotional blocks, maybe about your physical blocks, maybe you feel like you need to work on your personal growth, whatever issue that you have been facing in the recent times, be that in love life, I feel like you will be finding a way out of it. You will be understanding what is needed here in the situation. And I feel like for majority of you, the issues coming are because of two reasons. One, your fears, because maybe you are fearful, and that's the reason why you would like to rush into things. Or maybe your person wants to rush into things, and you are, being very you are being very, maybe they are very impatient, and you are being very patient around it. So whatever it is, just try to try to relax, like, just know the right things are going to come to you at the right time. So I feel like, if you have had some issues, if you have any mental blocks, maybe that's the reason why you would be getting impatient. Or maybe your person has some mental blocks, that's the reason why they would be getting impatient to get something with you. But again, it's time for you to I feel like, you will be understanding that there are certain things that you need to work on. And as you do that, as you allow things to unfold naturally, your all personal issues that you would be having with the situations that would be happening in your life, in the first half of the year, I feel like you will find a resolution how to move forward. You will have the clarity, as I said with this card here, with the Knight of Swords. I feel like, the clarity that you would need would come to you when the time is right. So just allow things to unfold. Just go with the flow as you enter into the 2021. Don't get too overwhelmed with anything in the first half of the year. You um your wish, whatever you desire, you will be getting that. So just relax around it. Let's see more cards here. Messenger of emotion. This is the beginning of new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you didn't even know were developing. A social invitation could soon be on its way to you. There is a person involved who is very gentle and loving, with only the kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if you are artistic, shy, or sensitive. I feel like, for some of you, you might meet a new person at a gathering, at an invitation of a party, or something around those lines as well. But again, you might receive a message from a secret admirer too in the beginning of the year as well. Again, take your time to decide. Don't overthink. Meanwhile, don't get overwhelmed. Meanwhile, just try to, just go with the flow. Don't get too obsessed with, you have to make this connection work, you have to do this and that. No, just relax around it, just be yourself and let things happen. The one who is meant to be with will never leave you. Seeing the darker shades of you or darker side of you, they will be with you. If they are destined to be with you, they are never going to leave you. You just don't have to have fear around it. So just be yourself and allow things to happen naturally. Three of Thought. Loving angels surround you to heal and comfort you. The sadness you feel will fade away in time, and then you will be able to see clearly how important this situation has been for your spiritual growth. Take the time you need to forgive yourself and others so that you can embrace the future with joy. I feel like, there will be some sort of lesson coming up for you in the very first half of the year. For some of you, you might have already learned it. For others of you, you will be learning this, message that is going to happen, or that is something going to happen for you in the very beginning of the year, in the first half of the year, I should say. And that lesson is going to make you understand a lot about your own personal desires and how you want to take your future forward. So I feel like, it's going to be the time where you will be healing a lot from the past experiences. Plus, you will have a lot of trust in the situations, in the universe, and you will have lack of impatience. You will be very patient towards what you want, what you desire. You would have this feeling of being protected as you let go of whatever that was holding you back, your fears, emotional blocks, mental blocks. You would be able to see that, okay, fine, whatever didn't work out well for you, it didn't work out well for you because you have something beautiful to come forward for you. So just have faith and patience around it. Let's see more cards here. Aries, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing with these signs, and Capricorn is you yourself as well. So maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn as well. Good luck and abundance is going to be your future in the year 2021. But I feel like, your time, a good time will start coming for you in the second half of the year is what I'm picking up. Pisces, Scorpio. You could be dealing with Pisces or Scorpio as well. Or maybe they are going to be the signs of the people who are going to play significant roles in your life as well. Success comes and cans, failure comes and cans. I feel like, you will have a firm belief that yes, you can have anything and everything that you want. You are not going to let yourself fail you in any way. You are going to go for success in each and every area of your life. You are a superstar. You will be a superstar in the year 2021 because you're not going to settle in for less than what you believe you deserve. And that clarity, that understanding is going to come for you as you resolve a personal issue that lies within you. I feel like you need to work on that area of your life. Libra, Aquarius, oh my god, we have almost all the signs here. So you could be dealing with Libra and Aquarius as well. Let's see the other cards. Time in the nature. Spending some time in the nature is going to be very helpful for you. It's going to help you again calm your body, mind and soul, align you to get what you want, align you to receive the messages coming from the universe as well. This could be your life partner. I feel like you will be meeting the one in this year. Either you will be getting married to this person in the second half of the year, or at least you will be with this one person that you are destined to be with for sure, because there are angels who are protecting this connection. And this is going to be the one for you that you're going to be meeting in this year. Especially the second half is going to be the time where you will be with the one. Angel numbers and alignment. If you receive or you see any angel numbers around this, in the whole year, that's going to be the sign that yes, you are on the right path. Receive divine messages. I feel like you should be receptive to receive the divine messages during the year 2021. Angels will be trying to communicate to you throughout the year, so just be receptive to that. Evil energies are around you. Again, if you align yourself to the God that you believe in, if you could align yourself to connect to your higher self, you will be protected. But if you don't, if you let your fears control you, you will have low vibe that the evil energies could affect you, or maybe they would be already around you, but they won't affect you if and only if you have if and only if you have a good connection with the God that you believe in. If and only if you are vibing high, you won't be affected by the evil energies. If you are feeling low, bad, sad, then these evil energies will affect you because they are around you. 3 months time. I feel like the first 3 months time is going to be very significant for you to pave a way for you to have the abundant next remaining months of the year as well. Ending of a tough cycle, heal. I feel like the first 3 months could be the time where you are going to heal yourself from the past experiences and move forward to abundance. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the year 2021. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.